वेलकम स्टूडेंट, दिस इज़ अकरम खान। मैं आपको अपने यूट्यूब चैनल KOA करीना ऑनलाइन अकेडमी पर खुशामदीद कहता हूँ। डियर स्टूडेंट, आज के सेशन में हम यूनिट नंबर 4 टर्निंग इफेक्ट ऑफ फोर्सेस शुरू करेंगे। सबसे पहला टॉपिक है लाइक अनलाइक पैरेलल फोर्सेस। इससे पहले मैं फोर्स को डिफाइन करना ज़रूरी समझता हूँ। फोर्स इज़ डिफाइंड एज push or pull attribute of an object which can change state of rest or motion of a particular body. Force, it is defined as push or pull attribute कहते हैं characteristics, quality, some peculiarity, attribute of an object which can change state of rest or motion of a particular body. It is the definition of force. It's Newton. It is a vector quantity. It is normally represented as by this symbol F at top arrowhead. Its unit is in SI base, is Newton, and 1 Newton is equal to kilogram meter per second square. स्टूडेंट्स, आपको ये याद होना चाहिए कि 1 न्यूटन इज इक्वल टू किलोग्राम मीटर पर सेकंड स्क्वायर, क्योंकि आमतौर पर ऑब्जेक्टिव टाइप में ये सवाल आता है 2 नंबर का अक्सर औकात। अब इसके बाद हम लाइक अनलाइक पैरेलल फोर्सेस को डिस्कस करते हैं। लाइक पैरेलल फोर्सेस, व्हेन अ नंबर ऑफ फोर्सेस एक्टिंग ऑन ए बॉडी along the same direction, these are called like parallel forces. फोर्स को हम F से रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं। ये एक वेक्टर क्वांटिटी है। लेट दिस एरो हेड रिप्रेजेंट फोर्स F. Here is our direction arrows: west, east, north, south. If many forces are acting along the same direction, like this one, that will be F1, F2, F3, F4, these all forces would be parallel and like. These are like because all are acting along the same direction, whether their magnitude be different or not. ये होगी एग्जाम्पल पैरेलल फोर्सेस की। अब हम रियल लाइफ से इसकी एग्जाम्पल इस तरह लेते हैं: व्हेन ए व्हीकल इज स्टॉप्ड ड्यू टू सम रीजन एंड मैनी पीपल आर पुशिंग इट फॉरवर्ड, देन दीज आर एग्जाम्पल्स ऑफ लाइक पैरेलल फोर्सेस. Take another example: if a number of apples are placed in a bag, then its weight would act downward, and it would be due to all apples placed in that bag, and each apple weights would act downward due to center of gravity. All the forces are acting along the same direction. It is an other example of parallel like forces. Now we discuss unlike parallel forces. When forces are parallel but not along the same direction, then it is an example of unlike parallel forces. Take an example of A apple is hanging down with the help of a rope. Weight of the apple would act downward, while that of tension in the string in the rope would act upward. These forces are actually parallel to each other, but in opposite direction. It is an example of the forces that are parallel but unlike. Likeness or unlikeness of forces are due to their directions. If the forces are acting along the same directions, then these are like parallel forces. If the forces are acting along opposite direction or not in the same direction, these are called unlike parallel forces. Take another example. Let it is an object and two forces are acting on it, F1 and F2. We see that both forces are parallel with each other, just like this one, but their direction is opposite. F1 is acting upward and F2 is acting downward, and both the forces are acting on opposite corner of the object. These forces, which are parallel but unlike and acting on opposite corner, may produce turning effects.